are concerned at what has happened in North Kathar Hills Autonomous Council or the Mahasau Autonomous Council. In Autonomous Council area, Panchayat cannot be established as per Article 243K, 243M, and as per Section 1 of Assam Panchayati Raj Act. But we have heard, we have seen in the net also that in NC Hills, the whole council has been turned into a panchayat, like a district council only, without autonomy, leaving out the word autonomous. The government has stealthily implemented it by allowing the BDOs to accept the nomination papers of the MSC election in the last MSC election in Autonomous Council. This actually, as per law, the BDOs cannot accept it. It cannot be accepted at the block. It should be accepted in the office of the Deputy Commissioner or the SDO. Now it is done at block level. That means the whole the Mahasau Autonomous Council has become the Mahasau District Council, that is the Mahasau Jila Parishad only. Moreover, the election was conducted by the State Election Commission. The State Election Commission is appointed under Section 114 of Assam Panchayat Act and Article 243K of the Constitution of India. The whole of Chapter 9 of the Constitution of India is not applicable in Autonomous Council area. Now, therefore, if I am elected as MP, I will fight it out in the parliament, and also I will oppose it, and I will work for restoration of the Autonomous Council in the Mahasau. I will also fight a case in the Supreme Court and High Court and Supreme Court if necessary, because the sixth schedule is our lifeline. This is a lifeline of the tribal people. We must preserve it. This is my promise. Not only a promise, but this is what we have been fighting for since the beginning of our movement. For the last 24 years for me, and in Carbiano and in Mahasau, we have been fighting it for the last 7 years for strengthening of the sixth schedule and restoration of all the powers that has been diluted. So I promise to the voters, the tribal voters especially, that the sixth schedule in the Mahasau Autonomous Council will be restored if I am elected as MP from this constituency. Thank you. Executive officers by Assam Urban Administrative Service appointed by the Assam government So far I know the officers have been selected by Assam Public Service Commission. The government of Assam can appoint them to the Assam Urban Administrative Service, but the names after appointment, only the names should be sent to the Autonomous Council, and the Autonomous Council of the Mahasau has full right to place the officers to whichever place they like. If they like, they can place them in Haflong Municipal Board, or maybe in Harangajao, or maybe in Umrongso, or maybe in Maibang or Mahur. That is the prerogative of the Autonomous Council. Now, the Assam government has appointed and placed them directly to the respective municipal board. This is not correct. It is a dilution of the powers of the Autonomous Council. It is the dilution of the powers granted to the Autonomous Council by the 6th schedule. So we oppose it. I also oppose it. It should not be done. I request the Assam government to take it back. The power should be given for placement of the power to place the officer should be in the hands of the Chief Executive Officer of the Mahasau Autonomous Council.